All right, one quick mess up that I did. If you watch the video, I changed it from the original start point. I had it going all the way out to here. When you look underneath here, you'll see 4 tabs. You'll see one right here, and then one right here. That's 3 tabs. But you see 6 tabs that go across the bottom. You're already cutting off one. If you cut off another one, then you only have 2 tabs that are holding the front bumper in. I'm gonna get a new bumper. I thought about going all the way in and shaving more stuff off, but I decided this is probably the best bet. That way I don't have to do any extra mods. I can literally just cut this, clean it up, and we're done in 30 minutes.
Do better than me. Underneath here there's 3 Phillips head screws. Take them off before you start trimming. It'll be easier. Alright, so I don't have a Dremel, so I was using what I have available to me, and that is this grinder that I got from Harbor Freight for 15 bucks, and I'm trying to feather this corner so I can make it more rounded. Also, I got these 18 gauge Snips for a different project, something to do with the camper build in the back that I'm trying to do, and it worked perfect for this. Didn't have any issues, and it made cutting this plastic easy.
Use a file to finish up the rest of the scrapes. The file will really help bring it down.
Or use whatever the heck you have, because not everyone has a file. You could have sandpaper, you could have a block, whatever. You're just trying to get the crummies off the plastic.
Alright, here's the next step. This is liner, like marine liner edge trim, and a few other kinds of liners, but it's on Amazon. It's a great price. I bought like 3 rolls of these because they were so cheap, and you go to AutoZone or even Harbor Freight, this would be a lot much than what I bought it for, and I've seen a lot of other Toyota builds use it, and for some reason I trust those people. Also, this makes it a little more forgiving because of how the strip works. Like if you have a spot where you divot it in a little bit, you can pull this down just a tad and you make it match like it's a straight line, and no one will know that you suck at grinding.
Alright, that's going to wrap things up for this video. The best way to support what I'm doing is by subscribing to the page as I get started on sharing with you guys this build. Anything I purchase for this will be in the link in the description. Appreciate y'all. Here's the final product.